Hi, hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Rutele, and I'm so glad you're here. Today I wanted to talk to you about being high maintenance on a budget. In 2025, I saved over $3,500 by doing certain things at home, and I wanted to talk to you about it because in the year 2026, we should be saving our dollars. You know what I mean? So I'm going to be diving into 4 categories, and the first one is going to be brows. I used to get a brow wax and a tint about once a month, every month. I used to go to the brow bar, like the Ulta Brow Bar, and each brow wax and tint is $46 plus a tip, so $50. If I'm going and doing that every month, I would be spending around $600 just on brows alone. Now I get a Just for Men beard dye, which is about $15, and it lasts me about a year. And also, instead of waxing my brows, I now pluck them, which saves me on wax. So I am saving $585 just by doing my brows. Next category is going to be hair, so that includes color and cut. With dyeing my hair, obviously if you're blonde, you're not really going to be able to do this. I mean, unless you're risky or you know what you're doing, but with brown or red hair, I am more than capable of doing it at home. So I'm literally just calculating coloring my roots. That would be about every 6 weeks at $65 plus a tip. That would be $650 a year just on getting my roots done. That is not including getting an all over color here and there to refresh the color. Now instead, I use eSalon, which is $34 for each time that I'm getting the kit. So I'm spending $295 a year on that, so I'm cutting that in half, which it's probably more than half because, like I said, I'm only calculating the roots. And then when it comes to haircuts, I would get a haircut about 3 times a year. Like if I'm getting my hair dyed, then I might as well get like a trim. So about 3 times a year equals about $300. I'm really not including bang trims because I didn't always have bangs. But that would be about 2 to 3 weeks, about a $15 to $20. So you can do the math of like what it would kind of be even more. I still am going for 1 yearly haircut. So instead of spending $300, I'm spending $100. I am trimming my own ends every 6 months. So I'll go haircut, trim at 6 months, haircut, trim at 6 months. So every year I'm getting like a full cut to make sure my hair is healthy. So I'm saving about $550 by doing my own hair at home. The next category is nails, and this is really where it adds up super quick. If you're doing any kind of extensions, if you're doing any kind of acrylic, if you're doing any kind of funky designs, this is going to be even more. But just with regular Dazzle Dry or gel, I was roughly paying about $55 for manis every 3 weeks, and then $65 for pedicures every 4 weeks. So that would be $954 for manicures a year and $845 for pedicures, which is kind of honestly insane. So I would be spending $1,799 a year just on manicures and pedicures. Now I do them at home. I use either Manicurist, it's like the Active Smooth, which is $19 per bottle. I buy about 2 a year. That's $38. And then I use Dazzle Dry, which their starting kit is about $100, which has like the base coat, color, and top coat. And then each individual bottle is about $22. Now I'm calculating to like start out, which I'm not doing that every year. So tops, I'm spending about $138, let's say $140 a year on getting supplies to do my own nails. So by spending that much on supplies to do my own nails at home, I'm saving $1,659 on that. And the last category will be facials. So I used to get about 4 facials a year. And mind you, this is like the bare minimum of, hey, you're going in to get massage and have like a nice relaxing time. This is not really including any kind of procedures, peels, anything like that. I never really could afford to do that, so I never did that. So my baseline for a facial is about $145 plus a tip, so that's about $620 a year. I bought one product that is the At-Home Facialist by True Botanicals, which is more of like a peely type of mask, and that was about $68, so maybe like $70 a year, right, on getting that replaced. And at home, I can just do that every week, every 2 weeks. It doesn't have to be 4 times a year, and I feel like I would see better results if I did it at home than just going 4 times a year. And I do dermaplane my face. I have a leaf dermaplaner, so I'm actually just changing out the little blades in there, which is, I swear, like 22 cents per each blade.
I totally forgot to talk about how much I'm saving. Oops, it's $550.
I'm taking what I would be spending minus what I am spending. Mind you, it's a lot less per year, but I'm just estimating here. So the total will be $3,349 a year that I'm saving by doing these at home. Obviously, you can do whatever you want with your money and your time, and if a certain category you like cannot give up, like I used to get my lashes done, and Once I saw how much money I was spending on that, I was like, I'm good without getting lashes done. And some people can't do that, right? Like they want their lashes done, and that's okay. You can decide where your money goes. But the purpose of this video is to kind of maybe evaluate how much money you are spending, and maybe seeing like the full total amount per year will be like, okay, maybe I don't need that. Maybe that money is better spent somewhere else. If you are doing any kind of other DIY things at home, definitely let me know. I'm always very curious on what people are doing. I know that some people full-time wax themselves at home. I've tried that, will not be doing that anymore. So from time to time, I still go get waxed. You know, like we all have our thresholds and our limits. So if anything, I hope this just inspires you. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.